Hello there. Today's video is going to show you how to prohibit USB access to USB drives on Windows 7 through local group policy. So to start out, click Start and then type in gpedit.msc and open up your local group policy editor. This is available. This feature, the prohibiting USB, is a feature available on Windows Vista and Windows 7. Group policies are available on older operating systems. But go to Local Computer Policy, and you'll see this is divided into two categories: Computer Configuration, User Configuration. Go to Computer Configuration, go to Administrative Templates. Let me move this over a bit. There we go, that's better. Administrative Templates, and then System, and then underneath System there should be a removable storage access. There it is right there. Alright, so let's go back to standard view. And this was a feature introduced with Windows Vista, but specifically what you're looking for is removable disks. It deals with these three options: whether you want removable disks to automatically execute, whether you want removable disks to deny read access, so they won't be able to read the USB drives, or they won't be able to write to the USB drive. So maybe you want them to read to it, but not be able to add things to the USB drives. There's all kinds of other things in here, such as CDs, DVDs, whether you want to do the same for optical media. Custom classes means that you can prohibit devices that you don't even that they don't even know about yet by going to Start. Let me open up my computer. You can do this in the device manager too, but let me show you on the CD-ROM. Here's my CD. I'm going to go to Properties, and then go to the Hardware tab, and select the device. There's actually two listed here, so let's go to CD-ROM Properties, and then go to Details. And in this drop-down menu, if you click Hardware ID, there are all these different descriptions for the individual hardware device. So depending on how specific that you want to be, let's say you want to block all CD-ROMs, you can just do generic CD-ROM. And this is the way you used to have to do it in XP. You'd have to actually install the device on your computer and then copy it here, and then you could paste it into the group policy object. See, generic CD-ROM. Or let's say specifically I wanted to block these items called VB box CD-ROMs. So then paste it in there. See, so anything that matches that description is prohibited. Don't save that. Close that. Close that. And that's what the custom classes are for. You can prohibit floppies, removable disks. Those are the USBs. All removable storage devices, so that's going to block everything. Tape drives or WPD devices, that's probably a good idea to block those as well. Those are iPods and iPhones, other cell phones and MP3 players, cameras maybe. All those things could be used as storage devices, so it's probably a good idea to block those as well. Maybe deny write access, something like that. But that's how you block USB through local group policy. This is not a domain group policy, it's just a local group policy, and it will block everybody, so you need to be careful. So let's do that. Remove write access for deny. Let's maximize that. So enable this policy, and it will deny write access, and it's start being available on Windows Vista. So then click OK, and you can see on the column here it says enabled. And I could have left a comment if I wanted to, but I don't really want to leave a comment. At this point it's probably a good idea. Let's close the window, and then do a WinR, and then do a GP update /force boot, log off. And that'll update the local group policy, and it's probably a good idea to reboot as well. So there's the user policy updating, computer policy updated, and it's probably a good idea to reboot. So hopefully you've learned something from this video, and you'll get to use this in the future. Thank you for watching.